This body will clean itself if you just stop feeding it. And if you don't stop feeding it, it cannot clean itself. And you will accumulate toxins quickly. And you will develop these things called sickness, aging, and death. Early. Prematurely. We're supposed to be living to 120. Now the original design, I want to remind you all, the original design had us living to 912 years. You remember the original design? Right? You look in the holy books, what do they tell you? This guy lived 987 years, this guy lived... Why? Well, because they were eating the food that we were designed to eat. What were they eating? Well, go to the first book we call it Genesis, you have other names. In Israel they call it the 5 books, they call it the Pentateuch, right, by Moses. You go to the first book, chapter 1, verse 29, and read it. When you get back to your room, read it. What does it say? I give you every fruit which has a seed, and every plant bearing seed that's on the whole face of the earth. For you it shall be meat, for you it shall be food. And it did not say steam for 20 minutes. It did not say, when microwaved, do not use metal. Those were not in the, I've read it a few times, I just don't remember seeing that part. Now, so when people were eating according to that diet, what happened? 900? 850? Okay. So then what happened? Remember the flood? The big flood and the guy, what's his name? Noah? Oh yeah, Noah. So what did he start doing? What did he? He got permission to feed the people what? Dead animals. So they started eating dead animals, and what happened? They died young. And within 5 generations, they were living, the life was 120 years. And then he gave rules. There's rules. There's halal, there's kosher. But all these are rules for plan B. This is not plan A. Plan A was eat the plants and don't cook them because I made them perfect. Guess what? I made tomatoes, not tomato soup. And I didn't make a mistake. You're making a mistake by turning on the oven. God, you think God messed up? Where's the lycopene? How come there are no lycopene trees? How come there's no vitamin C trees? Oh, I guess we don't need just one single nutrient. I guess if we eat the tomato, it's got lycopene, vitamin C, vitamin A, carotenes, fiber. And the seeds have amygdalin, etc., 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 etc. And actually, food is medicine. Hippocrates, let thy food be thy medicine be thy food. This is it. This is it. There is no other medicine.